Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video my HelloFresh meal kit is here. Let's unbox this together. Here we go. So this is how it looks, my friends, the HelloFresh box. You get enough individual packed food for 5 meals, right? All nicely packed. There seems to be a garlic loose in here. I don't know. And there's always extra coupons where if you refer a friend, you can get some dollars off it. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. Here's your individual packed, and I'm going to show you the meals that we have planned for this week. We have some veggie burgers and caramelized onions. Oh, that's a Beyond Meat thing. And this should take 25 minutes. It says more potatoes again. I think we've had this one before. It was pretty tasty. I'm going to put a link below to one of the meals that I tried cooking on by myself, and it was delicious. And then also to a recent taste test, right? Okay. So then this week we also have spicy barbecue beef meatballs with potatoes and broccoli and garlicky broccoli. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. And that one, 35 minutes. And this one is a buffalo chicken sandwich with ranch slaw and fries. Now, usually I don't pick these. My girls pick them, so I trust what they pick will be delicious. And then we have breaded baked chicken. Ooh, that looks delicious. And this is another 30 minutes meal. This one has buttery rice, zucchini, and lemony mayo. That one looks delicious. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed so far, my friends. Okay, so then this one is a Sacan inspired beef taco with feta crema and pineapple jalapeno slaw. That one looks good, but I'm not a taco fajita kind of person I mentioned before. I don't know what is a second. Yeah, I think I'm butchering that, but whatever. You guys get the idea. This is what it looks like. And so we just kind of randomly look at it and say, okay, this sounds good, we'll have this today. And we usually save the burgers for maybe a Friday meal. Yeah, we usually save the burgers for a Friday meal, but then we sort of randomly select just a meal to eat throughout the rest of the week. And there it is, my friends. There it is. As I told you before, all the ingredients are all wrapped up in the one bag, so there's no guessing game when you're ready to cook. All you just need to do is take out the bag, all the ingredients are in there, and then you just start. And some meals take 30 minutes or a little bit more, right? I've made a meal that took me an hour. So sometimes you have to make time just to cook and do the prep and stuff, but pretty simple. Loving HelloFresh so far. So maybe the next time I'll show you guys how we place an order. Now I should say, okay, so all the fresh ingredients are in here, right? All the meats are at the bottom. That's what I should have told you guys. All the meats are bottom. So these are all the vegetables and the rest of the food that you need. The spices are all in the bags and stuff. And then the meats are arranged nicely at the bottom of the box. So they're all separated and also packed on ice, right? Individually packed. So when you do pick up one of the menu board or the meal board, it tells you what meat to use, and then you just go in there, find your meat, whatever. So I'm gonna, and this is how it always comes, everything individual pack. Really nice pieces of meat, really nice selections of meat, right? So there's no guessing game in it. Yeah, very, very nice. And that's basically it, my friends. And this is for my family of 4. Thank you for watching, my friends. Go ahead and say it. This is my time and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.